Hi students, in this video I will explain about excretory system in human beings. Excretory system in human beings consists of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. The main organ of the human excretory system is kidney. It is reddish brown and bean shaped structure. Where is it located? It is located towards the back of the abdominal cavity on either side of the vertebral column. They are protected by the last two pairs of ribs. If we consider the internal structure, each kidney in longitudinal section shows two distinct regions, an outer renal cortex and an inner renal medulla. Just to see the diagram. Here, renal medulla is subdivided into 15 or 16 renal pyramids. Each pyramid has narrow renal papillae towards the pelvis region. This is the pelvis region, towards the pelvis region, and a broad base towards the cortex. This is the cortex region. So each renal papilla projects into the cavity of a minor calyx and they join together to form major calyces, which open into a wide funnel-like structure. This is the pelvis. So the pelvis in turn leads to the ureter, this one. Okay, so if we consider the structure of nephron, so this is the nephron. So each kidney consists of more than 1 million nephrons. It is the structural and functional unit of kidney. So what is the structural and functional unit of kidney? Nephron. So each nephron consists of Bowman's capsule. This one. It's a double-walled cup-shaped structure. It is lined by a thin semi-permeable squamous epithelium. Then glomerulus. The afferent arteriole enters into the Bowman's capsule and divides into a bunch of about 50 capillaries. So this bunch of capillaries is called a glomerulus, this one. And these capillaries reunite to form afferent arteriole. This is. So this is afferent and this is afferent arteriole. Then the next part is nephric tubule. It is a long coiled tubule which can be divided into a proximal convoluted tubule. Short form is PCT. The loop of Henle and the distal convoluted tubule, that is DCT. So PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubule, is a highly coiled structure. Then loop of Henle, it is U-shaped tube formed to the middle of the nephric tubule. Then distal convoluted tubule. It is a convoluted structure and is present in the renal cortex region. So the filter product called urine formation involves three main processes such as ultrafiltration, then tubular reabsorption, then tubular secretion. So what are the steps? So ultrafiltration occurs in the glomerulus, forcing many of the substances dissolved in the blood through the thin capillary walls into the Bowman's capsule. Next stage, the blood then passes through the tubular part of nephron where useful substances such as glucose, amino acids, fats and major amount of water are selectively reabsorbed as the urine flows along the tubule. Next stage, as the urine passes through tubule, some of the unwanted substances such as potassium, that is K plus, H plus, NH4 plus from blood are actively secreted into the urine. So these are the unwanted substances. They are secreted into the urine. Then what will happen? The collecting duct collects the urine from DCT, that is distal convoluted tubule. Then water is reabsorbed here under the influence of hormone, that is ADH, antidiuretic hormone, from pituitary. So pituitary gland produces the ADH. Then the last, urine now contains urea, uric acid and ammoniacal salt, pigment, that is urochrome, which gives a color to the urine, imparts yellow color to the urine. So this is what is the formation of urine. So if we see the steps, urine formation, that is formation of urine takes place. The ultrafiltration, first step is ultrafiltration occurs in the glomerulus, forcing many of the substances dissolved in the blood through the thin capillary walls into the Bowman's capsule. Next, the blood then passes through the tubular part of nephron, where useful substances such as glucose, amino acids, fats and major amount of water are selectively reabsorbed as the urine flows along the tube. That is why tubular reabsorption. Then as the urine passes through tubule, some of the unwanted substances such as potassium, H plus, NH4 from blood are actively secreted into the urine. Then what is happening? The collecting duct collects the urine from DCT and water is reabsorbed here under the influence of hormone ADH from pituitary. Then urine now contains urea, uric acid and ammoniacal salt. Pigment urochrome imparts yellow color to the urine. So these are the steps. So what are the functions of kidney? Removing excess water and nitrogenous waste such as urea, uric acid from blood in the form of urine. Second function is maintaining constant concentration of blood plasma, that is osmoregulation. Then regulation of pH of blood. Then have you heard about artificial kidney or hemodialysis? This is actually several factors such as infections, injury or restricted blood flow to kidneys reduce the normal activities of kidneys, leading to accumulation of poisonous waste in the body, which can even lead to death. Such situations of the kidney failure can be rectified by artificial kidneys. That is a device used to remove nitrogenous waste products from the blood through dialysis. Okay, so what is the difference between artificial kidney and natural kidney? Artificial kidney is different from natural kidney, as the one is artificial, that is not the main point. Here, as the process of reabsorption does not occur in artificial kidney. Normally in a healthy adult, the initial filtrate is about 180 liters daily. However, the volume actually excreted is only 1.1 to 1.8 a day. So this happens because the remaining filtrate is reabsorbed in the tubules of the kidney. This does not happen in the case of artificial kidney. That is the major difference between natural and artificial kidneys. Children, if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comments. So next video I will come with some application based questions from chemistry and bio. Thank you.